Need healthcare. Push the better health. Repair your smile.
फील इजी कफ सिरप। खांसी जुकाम, गले की खराश एवं सूजन, कफ को पतला कर निकालने में उपयोगी। इंडिकेशंस: प्रोडक्टिव एंड ड्राई कफ, एलर्जिक एंड सीजनल कफ, स्मोकर्स कफ, कफ ड्यू टू क्रोनिक ऑब्स्ट्रक्टिव pulmonary disease, COPD. Benefits: suppresses cough and adds the mobilization of mucus, relieves chest congestion, supports early recovery from respiratory illness, reduces irritation and frequency of cough, cleans the bronchial tube. Each 10 ml contains bharangi, somlata, lasuda, kantkari, tulsi, अंजीर, काकरश्रृंगी, बहेरा, जुफ्फा, खातमी, अनारदाना, बनाफसा, कईफाल, नौशादर, अपामागर्क, कपूर, पुदीना. The key benefits of Feel Easy Herbal Cough Syrup. It is effective in treating dry cough, reduces the irritation that triggers dry cough. It acts as a natural expectorant, bringing out phlegm, relieves the congestion commonly experienced with a cold. It possesses antimicrobial and antibacterial properties. It helps in the expulsion of phlegm, thus aiding in fast recovery. It boosts the production of antibodies, thereby preventing infections. It helps soothe the respiratory airway by helping you cough out the sticky mucus. It acts as a powerful and natural antitussive and expectorant agent.
Need healthcare. Push the better health. Repair your smile.